a brand new day. The Nasdaq's colors bright, the future's in our sight. We're here to own the future, everything's alright. Stream starting soon, just a moment away. Bull and bear in motion in a Nasdaq ballet. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay. Tickers on the rise and some may fall, but with Nasdaq's guidance we can conquer all. Dynamic moves ahead in this financial hall. Join us on this journey, let's answer the call. Stream starting soon, just a moment away. Bull and bear in motion in a Nasdaq ballet. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay. So sit back, relax, the stream's about to start. With Nasdaq's melody, we'll capture your heart. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay. Welcome to the market where the bulls and bears play. Watch the numbers dance as we start a brand new day. With Nasdaq's colors bright and futures in our sight, we're here to own the future, everything's alright. Stream starting soon, just a moment away. Bull and bear in motion in a Nasdaq ballet. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay. Tickers on the rise and some may fall, but with Nasdaq's guidance, we can conquer all. Dynamic moves ahead in this financial hall. Join us on this journey, let's answer the call. Stream starting soon, just a moment away. Bull and bear in motion in a Nasdaq ballet. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay. Streams start to rise and some may fall, but with Nasdaq's guidance, we can conquer all. Dynamic moves ahead in this financial hall. Join us on this journey, let's answer the call. Stream starting soon, just a moment away. Bull and bear in motion in a Nasdaq ballet. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay. So sit back, relax, the stream's about to start. With Nasdaq's melody, we'll capture your heart. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay. Welcome to the market. watch the numbers dance as we start a brand new day. With Nasdaq's colors bright and futures in our sight, we're here to own the future. Everything's alright. Stream starting soon, just a moment away. Bull and bear in motion in a Nasdaq ballet. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay. Tickers on the rise, and some may fall, but with Nasdaq guides, we can conquer all. Dynamic moves ahead in this financial hall. Join us on this journey, let's answer the call. Stream starting soon, just a moment away. Bull and bear in motion in a Nasdaq ballet. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay. Relax, the stream's about to start. With Nasdaq's melody, we'll capture your heart. Ooh, yeah. Own your future now, let the market sway.
Alright, good morning. Wednesday, July 23rd. See what we get in the markets today. Man, what was up with this opening candle? What was that? Right, zoom out. Chart wants to work. Come on. Back at this support zone. I don't know why my chart's lagging. And a downtrend there. They could go either way, and in the middle. See, pull back, push up. Try for the 23,350 area. Add here. We'll go with that. The open is at 23,195. 195. Go with that. Don't know why my chart's lagging. Hopefully it gets better.
Over the blue bands. Omnius is coming in and out.
Good morning.
Good morning.
That reminds me.
In, out.
Yeah.
He was playing with us. He was teasing us. Am I going to be here today or am I not going to be here today?
I think I was in the wrong one.
Yeah.
Sometimes you put it in the wrong one, you know what I mean? It happens. It slips.
And you hear a scream? Did you hear any screaming?
Not yet.
What was I going to say? Yeah, you were coming in and out. And you said you went into the wrong one. You went into somebody else's stream. Hey! Who are you?
Who the fuck is this guy?
I'm showing up.
Like, well, since I'm here, we're just going to hang out and make some bad jokes, I guess.
There you go.
And they must have kicked me out. Some people. No sense of humor.
None. Oh shit, there's a short. Come on, Mikey. Fucking 19, I had a much better price. Shit, damn. 19, 20, take it. 1875. Colin. I'm watching. 19. I don't know, I hate when I get a worse price. I'm out, I'm sorry. I got a worse price. Okay, flatten, flatten, flatten.
What do we got? Bad prices?
Yeah, bad fill over there. So, oh wait, now I can get in again at a better price. See that? 26, I'll take 27, even if it stops me out. Oh, I got my finger on the close button. I love it, I love it. One more, one more, one more. Let's go. Oh, come on, let's go. Give it to me. Give it to me. I don't hear it.
You gotta ask nicely. Dang.
Taking it. Can't do the POW. Couldn't do the POW.
Oh, pal.
No POW.
We got existing home sales, 10 o'clock.
Yeah. Whew, you sent me on a wild goose chase yesterday.
I did? What'd I do?
You did. I did that clip champ thing. And it took me quite a while, of course, because I'm learning. It's my first time, so it took me, it's not that hard. You don't have to, pull out a 700-page manual to learn how to do it. Import your clips, choose your kind of templates. But still, it took me a little bit. It took me a little while, bring all the clips in and stuff. And it didn't create me a highlight reel that I could use. The reason being is it would show the clip, it would go green. Show the clip, go green. Show the clip, go green. Like tick, 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 like a strobe light.
Yeah.
With a green. So it was really, so I just did it on my own in, where did I do it? In Canva, actually, I think.
Wonder why I did all that.
Yeah. Did you see it by any chance?
No, I seen you put up a video. I haven't had time to watch it.
You should take a look. It's funny.
You just put it up this morning, right?
I don't know. It's funny, but it's funny. It's funny because I have a twisted sense of humor. I don't know. I don't know if anybody would recommend that you do what I did, but who cares? It's one video clip.
Yeah, I'll have to check it out. Judge for myself. Sometimes you think you have a sick sense of humor, and then everybody's laughing about it.
Yeah. No, in this case, I think people can be scratching their head and saying, why did he do that?
What the fuck's wrong with this guy? I get that sometimes.
That serves no purpose. It's okay. It's okay. It's one video. One short.
Yeah, fuck them if they can't take a joke, right?
You know what? I created it 9x16. It didn't even go in my shorts folder. It was a few seconds over 3 minutes, and they put it in my videos folder.
Oh yeah,
I thought shorts can be up to 10 minutes. I thought as long as you do it by 9x16, it went in your shorts folder.
Nope, it's gotta be under 3 minutes.
Mm,
You gotta go cut out 10 seconds.
yeah, so maybe I'll do that. I'll cut out 10 seconds. I'll leave this one as private, as per your advice.
I posted one from TikTok the other day. The sound was horrible on YouTube.
Okay.
The sound was great on TikTok. Now I'm
Yeah.
posting the same video I posted on YouTube. The sound's horrible.
Strange, eh?
What the heck? So I went through and I set it to private and re-uploaded it without the sound, and then added the music from YouTube.
Okay.
Oh, and it was flagged. It was actually blocked in certain countries. It's like,
Okay.
damn, y'all getting a bit extreme now. What the hell happened? What happened to the shorts policy? And then I turned the music off and uploaded the same song from YouTube, and now it's fine.
Mm.
I think
Maybe you needed to do a volume adjustment. You know, like when you're creating the video, there's sliders for the volume.
was
Hey,
all
wait a minute. What are we doing? Are you trading? Did you get a 2-minute ORB or
I
opening right
did.
straight?
I did.
Ow.
I don't even talk
I
about
don't
it, do I?
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Oh, you was talking about something different when it happened.
Yeah.
Let's see.
I kind of didn't see how that happened. We got to look at your charts. I want to figure out where you're getting them. I'm gonna have to put your not now, but I'm gonna have to put up your chart and
It
my
was
chart.
a long trade at 23, 225, 25.
Really? Did we just go back in time? How do you have a long trade on an opening range 2-minute break? Do you not see the first two opening candles?
No, nobody really knows. And then it got out
Yeah,
at
yeah, no.
23,
Yeah, I know it is.
230, 275.
Yeah, because you're using candle. You're using if candle number
Or-
1 is the 9:30 candle, you're using candle number 2 and number 3.
Yeah,
I know what you're doing.
got in at 239. Yeah, I thought we were short. I'm looking at it, we're long.
Yeah, I see where you got in.
Like you said, how the fuck you get a long out of that? I don't know.
But you should have had take profit on that, no?
I did, yeah.
Oh, okay, perfect. Yeah, I was gonna say it should be to take profit on that. So basically, you're using a drunk bot, and it's working. It doesn't even see the charts right, but it's taking winning trades.
I don't ever know what the hell it's doing.
Well, yeah, I mean that's pretty confusing when your chart timer is off. Just call Ninja support or email them,
Then they might fix it.
and then you start losing.
How fucked up would that be?
That would be fucked up. You'd come here and you'd break my legs. You have to mess with things, huh? You have to open your mouth.
I'd be calling support and saying, listen, y'all fixed my Ninja Trader. Could you please break it again?
You couldn't leave well enough alone, Mike. Nah, you just changed the timer, 9:31 to 9:33. That's all, instead of 9:30 to 9:32.
Yeah, I don't know what the hell it does.
Okay, 9:44 news.
One day I'll figure out how to share my stream in Discord and show it to you.
According to my alarm, there's 9:44 news.
Yep, just took another one. My candle right now is 9:45.
James, if you're on the stream, Sim 102 is that system I was telling you about, trying to catch the runners. The one that's called Butters Breach or Butters Band Beach, something like that.
We got that one for 9 points. Where we at? 16 points on that today. 17.
So NQ
16 points.
NQ obviously filled the gap. Like I said, that wasn't a surprise. We were only, I think, 30 points above. When I tuned in the morning,
Skeletor, good morning.
Now we're going green to red. So if we hold under the previous day's close, that's not, you know, the way people read the charts. That's not a good. It's not a good thing. People are going to try and take advantage of that and push it lower.
Sync the clock and windows, Skeletor says. I'm not going to do anything right now. I'm just going to let it. I don't want to fix it now. I got Windows 11. If I mess with it now, I might fix it. Then I'll have to reconfigure all my times.
I'm singing Michael Jackson songs in my head.
That all I gotta say is they don't really care about us.
Who doesn't care about us?
Michael Jackson song. Where you been at, man?
Ah, no, that's I don't know. It's the way you made me feel. That one. There was a short on my what do they call it? What they present you on your feed, on my feed. And that
Shorts
was it.
feed.
That was the only, yeah, that was the only short I watched, so now it's in my head.
Gotcha.
Ozzy Osbourne, eh, guys?
Yeah, it's fucked up, isn't it?
That's a loss. That's a loss. That's a loss. It hurts. That's a legend.
He just did a show like 3 weeks ago.
Yeah, I know. The 5th.
Makes you kind of wonder what they pumped him full of to be able to do the show.
He looked like he enjoyed it, though. He looked like he was happy.
Like, damn, dude, you know you're fixing to die. Let's pump you full of this shit and get you on that stage one more time.
Yeah.
They said it was the highest grossing benefit show of all time.
Okay. Well, let's get you on that stage one more time. He wanted to go on that stage.
Oh, yeah, he definitely wanted to.
Love to. That's why I'm saying, you know, you were saying the other day, we don't know how hard it is to tour. Yeah, it must be crazy hard. But they love it, man. They're doing it till their last breath.
Man, Ozzy retired like 20 years ago. I went to his last ever show like 20 years ago. They said it was 2000.
I went to his last show 20 times.
They said it was 2005. I was like, holy shit, it was that long ago?
Yeah.
When he played with Black Sabbath, the Ozzy Osbourne Black Sabbath final show. 2005, 20 years ago. The fuck?
That was the final show for 2005. They just didn't they just didn't tell you that. Probably what killed him. Yeah, maybe. Who knows?
Then I don't know if you ever been to a Ozzy show, but he does a final song about 10 times.
Yeah, no way.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. He's like, one last song.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, he loves that stuff, man. I think sometimes I had to shut him down.
Back up to the previous day's close. Do we get a bounce? Do I even try to bounce trade for a 2-lot? How about for a 1-lot? Do I have a 1-lot? I don't even have a 1-lot. ATM. I think I overrid it. Oh, no, I do. Not showing up. I'm forced to trade 2 lots.
Oh, forced to trade 2 lots.
I'm forced to trade 2 lots. Yeah, you know what? I didn't come in early today. I kind of rushed, so I'm feeling rushed. So, given that I'm feeling rushed, I'm going to just trade Sim 102 on that long-term system. It's got 435 points in Bitcoin already. Where's James? I wanted to show it to him.
Go.
Well, sub of the week.
What happened to my stream?
Sub of the week for killing it in the competition.
For some reason my stream went
and
off.
Making himself look real good. The trader that we all want to be. Are you kidding me? Wow. Great day. Great day for the longer term system for the holding. It's up over 800 bucks. I'm going to take it. 807. I'm going to close it all and wait for the next signal.
Yeah, I gotta make a phone call and put you on mute.
Oh, and by the way, just in case you guys are interested, that's trading 3 lots. Oh, we got a trade. 91 short, 84 target, 70%. I missed it. There's your 84 target. Unfortunately for me, got distracted. Where's my reminder not to get distracted? I put up a couple of good reminders in Nightbot. Let's get that back up. That's funny. Yeah, it's funny with the glasses. Is that Gene Simmons? Because with the glasses and his fuzzy hair a little bit, you know, in an interview here. Oh, no, it is Gene Simmons. I was going to say Ozzy Osbourne looks like Gene Simmons, but no, this is Gene Simmons remembering Ozzy Osbourne. Okay. Crazy. They're all so old, eh? And they're still going. So impressive. Let's get a funny one in there. I like the funnies. Let's go for that one. What did I say I want to do? Oh, yeah. Not to be distracted. Stay focused. It's there. Okay, well, we got another short trade potential over here at 91, kind of where the other one triggered. Oh, not sure if I want to take that one though. We're flip-flopping on, below, and above previous day's close, which is the white dash line there. Take a quick look at the 30-minute. Just trying to get an idea. An Ildila. Oh my God. I gotta go pick up my daughter today at the airport. You guys, can you guys remind me? So I don't forget? I had a funny story to tell. I don't remember what it is. Hold on. It was a crazy story too, to be honest with you. Oh, holy shit. Yeah, it is a crazy story. I'm going to wait for Omnius to show up. This is a ridiculously crazy story. Maybe I'm going to try a... along over here. We just got to dip a little bit lower and then get another bar back up. Where's the momentum? The momentum's on the sell side. Bitcoin, I don't have to ask. The momentum is seriously on the sell side. I tell you, if you can get in around 118,000, it's looking pretty good on the daily. Don't follow my trades. Not a financial advisor. Consult a licensed professional. Trade on demo. Trade with money you can lose, you can afford to lose. Greater than 90% of traders, unfortunately, lose money. Why is that? Well, I posted a video on what bleeds your account, or one of the things that bleeds your accounts. You guys should go watch it. It's funny.
It's funny.
It's done well. I got a great story.
Done well. What I missed?
It's story time.
Okay.
Let me just, there might get a trade though. I want to go long. Oh, no, I do have the long. Okay, I'm going to take it. I'm going to take it Sim 102. So, and short over there. No, just you got to be kidding. At 9:56. Thank God I didn't take it in my.
Where are these candles coming from?
Yeah, I don't get it, and it happens so often. Like a couple times a day, every day. Anyways, it's okay. I'm gonna go short if we get a retracement bar down. A spike in volume is the only thing I can think of, and there aren't the bids to absorb it. That's my only.
Might need to keep track of the daily volume.
That's my only theory on how that happens. Looking to get short. There we go. Let's get short. Yeah, so my wife has a friend, and she looks out her window in the afternoon, sees a car that doesn't belong in the neighborhood.
Uh-oh.
A woman with a ponytail in the car. And, the woman with the ponytail in the car, okay, it doesn't matter. That's an irrelevant detail. I don't have to say that. The woman in the ponytail with the car.
You got to watch out with the women with ponytails. They're on a mission.
Anyway.
They're up to something.
Then, what happened? She's watching, and she also notices something irrelevant, but the doorbell rings. The doorbell doesn't answer. Yet the girl is, kind of like in front of that house. It's her neighbor. Anyways, later on, the police come. The house got robbed at 2 in the afternoon. So of course they wanted her camera feed and everything. Mm-hmm. Why is that relevant? Oh, they said it was 2 guys in the place. Last night, like at 10:30 at night, my doorbell rings. You know me, I never answer the doorbell. I don't even think about it. I don't care. It's unsolicited. You're not, I didn't invite you over. I'm not expecting anybody. And I don't get the door. But the doorbell rings again. So I go to my side window to see who it is. There's a girl in a ponytail with a car running in front of my house. 2 people in front of the car, inside the car. And not only that, she's right up against the door, almost like she's kissing it, which is really odd.
Trying to listen.
So I tell my wife, hey, there's a girl with a ponytail kissing our door, basically, and she's not leaving. And there's a car in front of our house. My wife comes down. Her first instinct, I'm gonna open it.
No.
I really we have. I don't know if you guys have them. We have something called home invasions, where an old lady or a kid, they use an old lady or an older lady, a kid. You answer the door and then they run in and they take over your house, basically. And we had a lot of them in our area. Now, the one that happened with her friend wasn't a home invasion. They weren't home. So that was a robbery. But this is exactly like it. She wants to open the door. Anyway, she doesn't. Our alarm, it has the speaker so you can talk outside. Who is it? Who is it? She doesn't understand. The girl's talking. Seriously? What? You're in trouble? You want to use our phone? You really think I'm going to let you in the house at 11 o'clock at night with your car running and 2 guys in the car? And answer with a shotgun. Yeah. Anyways, in the end, it ended up being my daughter's friend.
Oh, God.
No, my daughter's friend's sister. My daughter's on vacation with one of her friends. Mm-hmm. It was her sister. She came to pick something up. Finally, we figured it out. That's why she wasn't leaving. She needed to pick something up. Wow, the similarity, though, of the stories was crazy.
So you were like, So you were like, who are you? And she's like, oh, I'm so-and-so's sister.
Yeah. And she said, well, the sister left the car here. That's how they went to the airport.
Mm-hmm.
So that's why the people were in the car. They brought her here to get the key from my daughter's friend's car. So we had the key. So she wanted the key so she can drive home the sister's car. So that's why the other people were in the car. But like I said, the coincidence and the similarity of the two situations.
But how did you find out who it was? So
well, we have the speaker on the alarm. You know, my wife on her phone. She goes, "Who is it? Who is it?"
Yeah.
So at first we couldn't understand. The girl was mumbling, maybe because she was kissing the door. But eventually it came through that I'm Dina's sister. I'm here for the key for the car.
So
okay.
So in my case, I would have said, "Please read the sign on the door before you go any further." The sign on the door sign on the door says, "There's nothing here worth your life. Go away."
That's a good sign. I like that. There's nothing here worth your life. That's an excellent sign.
All the kids in the neighborhood are like, "What does that mean?" I'm like, "Look at the picture under it." And shit, the guy holding it. Like, there's nothing in this house that's worth your life.
Yeah.
Value your life and walk away.
Yeah. No, I mean, I was, like, I don't have that app on my phone to talk. My wife put it on. I don't want that on my phone. No. I'm not interested in the doorbell rings. Like I said, I just don't get it. I don't care. But, I was thinking already of calling the police. It was just too similar.
They had some stray dog in my neighborhood last night. And the people across the street was asking us about it. We're like, "No, we don't know nothing about it." Like, it was a brown dog. I was like, "Okay, well, these people have brown dogs." So go ask
them. Is it Old Yeller?
Might have been. I don't know. So the young girl across the street, she goes to a couple houses and asks them. They're like, "No, it's not our dog." And then my wife decides to go down the road the other direction. And one of the people outside says, "Well, that looks like the people across the street. Looks like their dog." So she knocks on the door to ask them if it's their dog. And of course, she's got my little daughter with her, 6 years old, right? She said some teenager opened the door and was like cussing and hollering. Was like, "What the fuck do you want? Get out of my fucking yard, bitch."
Wow.
I'm like, first thing I was like, "Oh, is it the father?" Like, let me walk down there. Let me walk down there and talk to him real quick. She's like, "No, he's a kid." I'm like how small of a kid? And she's like, "Well, he's a teenager or something." Yeah. I'm like, "Well, if I don't know that he's a teenager, does it still count? Like, what's the fine line there?"
Yeah, well, he was playing Call of Duty and he got bothered. I would answer with my M&P12 over my shoulder. It's best not to answer. It's best to stay back and and see if they break in, and then you use and then you maybe think about the M&P, if I'm reading it right. I know Smith & Wesson. I don't know M&P. Maybe I should.
Just remember when something happens, drag them in the house before you call the cops. I don't know what happened. He broke through my door, and that was a bad decision. Whatever happened after that, we're not talking about. Wonder how Mike's cats are doing. Mike, what'd you do to your cats?
I only got one. Why? What do you mean? Where are they?
Skeletor put, "I wonder how Mike's cats are doing."
There one. He's sleeping. It's the
others.
The others. I don't have any others. Just one guy. One guy, Sparky. Oh, but maybe they're asking because Sparky. They say it's long when he meows one time, and it's short when he meows three times. Oh. Or thrice. Short at 63.
He
Can I get a better price?
They said he drops in other places. What?
Oh, yeah. Okay, I'll tell you the story. You know it. I think you know it.
I'm lost on this whole conversation.
55, 56. We didn't go to 56. We didn't go to 56 yet.
Is this like a metaphor for something? What are we talking about?
No, in our neighborhood, there was a while back, we had a ton of stray cats.
Oh, okay.
Let me just make sure I have no position because we're trade copying. For sure. Yeah, we had a ton of stray cats, so I started to, me and my neighbor, we started to cage them. The neighbor would bring them to the, I don't know what you guys call it here. We call it the SPCA, animal control.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
But me, I just took the cage, put it in my trunk, in my van, went over the auto route, the overpass, went behind a church and left them in the field there. And a while later, like
yeah, I remember this story.
It was on the news. There's an explosion of stray cats in this area now. All of a sudden, an inexplicable explosion of stray cats. Wow, that was funny. The fact that it made the news, you know, that's the crazy thing.
They breed like rabbits.
Local
man.
news.
People don't realize you can have an infestation of cats.
Yeah.
I keep trying to tell my wife, stop feeding the damn cats.
I think about a year ago, car pulls into a gas station. 3 guys with a mask try to steal an older man's Porsche at a gunpoint. They were saying, let's kill him and take the car. Yeah, they're such fuckers, you know? What do you have to hurt people for?
People got to realize that we live in the Grand Theft Auto world now.
Yeah, but take the car. Leave the person alone. What does it give you? Seriously.
He's like, just take the car. How about just don't rob somebody for their car? Is that not an option?
Well, theft is always going to happen, but
yeah,
senseless violence, seriously. I don't know. You got to be a special breed of human to be able to take someone's life with so casually, you know?
Well,
oh yeah.
The crazy thing is, carjacking, you're still going to get 20 years, so it's not much more to just go ahead and add murder to it. Guess.
But why? I mean, like, that's what I don't get. Why? What part of your brain says this is a good add-on, you know? Like, I don't get it.
We're growing up in that Grand Theft Auto world where everybody listening to rap songs, talking about robbing people and killing people. What can you do?
Yeah, well, drive an old beater. 63 short again. Supposed to go down to 56. But we failed the last time. I'm not sure I want to take it here. We're kind of just... Oh, yeah, there we go. There it was. I missed it. Okay, anyways, only 5 minutes from my shop.
I think people need to realize that these things happen so much and take precautions. Watch your surroundings.
Yeah.
Carry a big knife or a gun.
Not here. You're not allowed.
Can't have a knife?
Can't, you know, even if, I don't even know if you can. I won't say that. I don't think you can, but let's say you can. You can't use it, even if you're being attacked.
Isn't that
Over
crazy?
here, you have to let the courts decide the guy's fate, not you.
That's crazy.
You have to allow yourself to be a victim, and then you have to report it to the police, and they have to find him, and then you have to charge him. That's the process here. You're not allowed taking matters into your own hands.
It's about the same here. They say you have the right to defend yourself, but you're going to have to fight it in court.
Yeah, well, because people will abuse it. You know, everyone will skate the fine line, and
if you don't have $50,000 to fight it in court, probably going to be found guilty.
You know, I understand why they have to do that, because soon someone's going to raise, you know, you want to off someone, you'll go near him, he'll raise his hand. Oh, I was defending myself. What do I have to do? I have to wait till he strikes me? You know, he raised his hand. That was enough of a threat. You know, things need, that's the problem.
Actually, that is enough of a threat. That's you have a 3-foot radius around you. That's your personal space. Somebody comes in your personal space, raises their hand. They made that choice.
Yeah, but that doesn't mean it should cost them their life. Not every mistake that a person makes is...
Look, if somebody wants to hurt me, I just assume it be them. If it's me or them, I just assume it be them. We live in a crazy world. You can't be waiting around to find out why somebody's invading your personal space and raising their hand. I think context matters also. Like,
yeah. But a home invasion.
Home invasion, if somebody's trying to get in your car.
No, a home invasion, you should be able to defend yourself. If they're armed and they broke into your home, I'm sorry, you shouldn't have to. That's it. They're armed. That's enough. They're armed and they're in your home.
I'm gonna go with they're in your home. I don't know. There needs to be anything more than that. Your home's the most sacred place there is.
No, I know, but again, what if the mother-in-law walks in because your door was unlocked in the back? You know, it allows for accidents. Too easy that way. You know, it's too easy of an excuse. Oh, we weren't expecting her. I shot her. You know.
Well,
okay.
Your first thought in life shouldn't be I'm gonna shoot somebody. You know what I mean? If you got a gun in your hand, you got a pretty good advantage. You shouldn't have to shoot somebody before you even see who it is.
Yeah.
But I know people do that. They had one where I forget where it was.
Also,
kid knocked on the door and it was an old guy. He got scared and shot him through the door. Like, I got scared. I didn't know who he was. Like, dude, you can't just shoot somebody because they knocked on your door. That's a bit excessive.
Avon calling, pow. Hey, let me do it the right way. Avon calling.
Ugh. Shoot some freaking Girl Scout or something.
Laughing, it's not funny. So let's have a commercial here for what do you call it? Not a commercial. Anyways, for the trade copier. Take a look at the trade copier. I don't know. Can you guys see all the way down? The account on top is the account that's the leader. And then there's the other ones that are following. Look how beautiful. 94, 94, 85, 70, 64, 55, 50, 35, and 31.
What about the 701?
Oh, that's the Sim 102. That's me trading the other system.
You said the account on top.
With the one underneath, not the Sim.
Okay, so 94. It's all over the place, isn't it?
No, it just goes down. 94, 94, 85, 70, 64, 55, 50, 35, and 31.
And all those were copied from the same leader
Yep.
account?
Only one leader, nothing different.
That's the Apex?
That's the Apex one. Sure.
That is
and
crazy.
I have a discount code if any of you guys want to go get it.
No, I'm going to run out right now and go get that.
Yep.
Mine's free.
I
think
highly
it's got better
endorsed.
results.
I highly endorse a trade copier with this kinds of results. Cocksuckers. That's why I don't understand how other people are copying 20 accounts. I can't even copy 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Look how the performance degrades as you go further down. If I'd copied 12 more, the other ones would be in the red.
Well, I've heard a lot of bad things about the Apex copier. It just doesn't make sense.
Well, here you go. Another.
Most people either use Replicanto or Quantower. They got their own. Sierra Chart has its own.
Yeah.
I think the Sierra Chart's probably the best one. That's the one. That's what Matt uses. Trades by Matt. I used to use Sierra Chart a long time ago.
Yeah.
On Sierra Chart, you can actually set up through different charts and different tickers. Like you can trade a NQ off the ES if you want to.
Yeah.
I'm
going to send them an email.
Yeah, Quantower's good. Quantower's good now. Quantower used to suck.
Oh, yeah. You're talking the trade copier or the platform?
Oh, the platform. Before AMP Futures got involved with them, Quantower sucked.
Mm.
I don't know if they invested some money and brought it up to standards or what.
You're talking the platform or the trade copier?
The platform. Quantower.
The platform or the trade copier?
Oh, God.
You see, we're very far away. You can't hit me.
Quit. Quit
Don't type in
smoking.
my chat.
Quit smoking that shit.
You're talking the platform or the trade copier?
Oh, man, I used to have a Thinkorswim and a bunch of other platforms. I'd have like Thinkorswim, what was the other one? Weeble, Sierra Chart, and
Weebles wobble, but they don't fall down, eh?
I guess. But I'd have all those open, and then I'd have Quantower open, and Quantower took more resources than all the other ones combined.
Wow.
And if you ever use Thinkorswim, that's a resource hog too.
Really?
That's saying a lot with
I
them.
never looked.
Yeah, I was never a fan of Thinkorswim. They always said it was like the best platform, best this. I'm like, y'all are crazy.
Mm. Mm-hmm. Still singing that Michael Jackson song. It's amazing once a song gets in your head, eh?
Mm-hmm.
Michael Jackson.
But yeah, when I used Sierra Chart, you could bring in indicators from different charts. Let's say you wanted to use a multi-time frame analysis. You could bring in your indicator from, say, a 5-minute chart or 15-minute chart, hourly chart.
Yeah, you can do that with NinjaTrader, eh? You know that.
Not really. How?
Yeah, you can.
How?
Very easily. You just click on here. You watching my screen?
Mm-hmm. Go.
I'm waiting. Right. Double click. You go into data. You go over here, applied. So instrument. You choose the same instrument, MNQ.
Yeah, I know that method, but I never liked it.
You add the 5 here. So it added 1 minute. Now you change it to 5 minute, let's say, and then you add in the indicator, and you apply it on the same panel, not on a different panel. The only thing, the reason why I don't like it is because it spreads out your 1 minute candles.
Right. Fucks your chart all up.
Yeah, it makes it look weird. That's true. Yeah.
So in Sierra Chart, you can just bring it in. There's an indicator you add to your chart, and it brings in other indicators from other charts.
Hmm.
Thanks for subscribing, Don Howard. Don, thanks for joining the team. Appreciate you.
Don Howard is Ron Howard's twin brother, by the way.
Oh, yeah?
In case you guys don't know.
Don't know. Yeah, Quantower used to freeze up all the time. It was horrible. They got it a lot better now. I got it right here.
70.
I got Quantower. I finally took the 5 minutes it took to download it. Let's see. I don't know. I don't know if I want to open it. I got the full access too. Try
The trade copier or the platform?
Somebody was smoking some wacky shit this morning.
I missed a short. Short at 70. Ooh, I can get back in. I can get in. Potentially.
Yeah, I don't want to brag or anything, but my Quantower has a VWAP. Isn't that crazy? Like you
Yeah,
have a
some of those
platform,
stuff-
but you don't get like a indicator like VWAP.
Yeah, well, they're looking to try to squeeze up a few dollars more by charging extra for stuff like that. They know people use it. Same thing like volume profile on Ninja Trader.
Yeah, I was gonna say. Well, I don't think you get VWAP on NinjaTrader either. I think it's
Yeah, you do. No, I got it.
yeah, but you probably downloaded it.
No, I don't. Really? You're right. You're right. Yep, it's an add-on.
I think I remember downloading it.
Skeletor wants to know, is that on the computer or on the platform? No, don't give me a losing trade. I'm going to have to get out at 84. I got my finger on the close button. I don't want a losing trade. I didn't have any losing trades today. I'm getting out. Take me out.
Me neither.
Get
But
out.
I didn't take any trades either. So,
Really?
well, I took 3. The bot took 3 trades.
Okay, so there you go. You took trades.
Kind of upset because I wanted to copy trade to another account also. Would have been a good day to do it. I came to work late and
Yeah.
didn't
I
have
was
the
waiting for
opportunity.
the thing. 82. I'm not going to get out now. I'm going to let it go to 84.
Then as soon as I got here,
now.
my wife's texting me. I called you 5 times and you won't answer. Damn. 5 times. My phone's like the rest of us. It works when it wants to.
That reminds me, talking about calling you 5 times. Let's see if your wife called me 5 times. You never know, right?
Never know.
No, let's see if my wife called me 5 times. My phone usually lights up like a slot machine when my wife has free time. Nope, all good. No messages.
What trades everybody else looking at? Who you got? Wood Chip, Skeletor,
Yeah, it
Joker?
was quiet.
What trades y'all in? Somebody's got to see something good.
If you're chasing, you're not trading. Let the trade come to you. It should say if you're chasing, you're a jackass. Let the trade come to you. Let's change that.
Skeletor says none. I got Jackass. Let's play it. I got nothing better to do.
I got nothing better to do. Let's call everyone a jackass.
Still funny.
Chasing.
It says don't be a jackass. Don't chase. Don't be a jackass. That's Chase the donkey. In case anybody don't know. Name's Chase.
You know, if you can make a video with, what do they call that? With transparent backgrounds. Is that possible? Or it's only images that can be, have transparent backgrounds?
It is, but I don't know how to do it. We need like some computer whiz or something on the stream that wants to help us make cool stuff.
Computer whiz. GPT. Anything can be done with GPT. I'm by your side.
Fine, you talked me into it. I'll play the Batman.
You know why? Because you're
Rumor
bad.
has it
Because
the
I'm
kids love it.
Batman.
You killed me. The kids love it.
At least if the kids are watching, they'll get a kick out of it.
Yeah.
I try to tell them not to watch YouTube. It rots their brain. And they're like, but Dad, there's this
You're
guy
on it.
there's this guy on YouTube that we like to watch. How do you argue with that?
Ah, that's so sweet. They're talking about me, right? They're such good kids. Ask them what they want for Christmas.
These kids, they know how to manipulate you, don't they? Yeah, I'm a skeletal.
Well,
This shit sucks.
1, 2. This is the third swing high we're breaking. And every breach of the swing high, we couldn't close above it. We just wicked it and went back down.
Yeah, I don't have faith in any of this.
And you gotta have faith. I'm in the mood to sing today. Did you notice?
I think the open range retest would have failed today. Good thing I didn't take it.
Yeah.
I always forget. I'm going to start setting a timer.
Well, we got initial balance in 3.5 minutes. We are below previous close. We're below VWAP. We went green to red.
Still trading with no setup because I'm Batman. We got to call it the Batman trade.
Not taking this trade. Maybe it's time to go refresh the coffee. Not sure. You know what time it is, though? It's time to enter a long based on the butter band breach. I didn't even notice. But
Maybe whenever we're losing a trade, we'll call Batman to help us.
We used to call the banker,
There we go. We need to get a banker.
but Antoni Yo-Yo doesn't show up anymore.
Was he the banker?
Antoni. He used to call the banker. He was the one that called the banker.
We got to get a banker pop up.
Okay, so this trade here on Sim 102 is one of those trades that should be held. Not for eternity, but minimum 50 points. So getting up to 23.227, that's, you know, when I can start thinking about peeling a piece off.
What are you taking? Long?
Yeah, long.
Minimum 20 points?
50.
50 points. Oh, wow.
Yeah.
I'm looking at your Renkos. This guy used to call that a captain setup. You ever look for that setup? Comes down, pushes up, comes down again, pushes up. Double reversal.
I'm not sure what you mean. You mean just the single here, like this, the up, down, up?
Right.
Or are you talking the whole?
Okay, look,
whole
you're
move?
coming down, then you push up. That's a reversal. Then you push down, push up again. So it's like a double reversal.
Okay, I see what you mean. Yeah.
Then if you get a push up again and it goes a little bit higher, and then you get another reversal, another flip, then it's supposed to be even stronger. You have to go back and look for them now, huh?
Nah, I got enough setups. You know, there's always a big move. It's so rare you don't get a big move under the blue bands. Look at this move here. 220 down to 140. 80 points. So now let's see if we can catch the next 80 point or 100 point runner to the upside. I ran it. I back tested it, I think, on the weekend. I don't remember. I don't think too many people showed up. Maybe just you were there and... Yeah! You were there and Butters. Butters showed up a little bit. And,
That was Sunday, right? Sunday night?
yeah.
Yeah, but I mean, so I think Sundays are hit or miss because people have stuff going on with the family.
No, but I'm just saying that I back tested it and it looked like it showed a lot of promise. Going for larger runs. And I'm going to try and incorporate that into my trading.
I'm showing
Yeah,
an
doesn't
11 on the ATR. What you got?
10.06.
That's kind of low, right?
It's low. 10.30, 10. Yeah. 10 is my... 7 is my cutoff. 10 is my be wary. Volatility is collapsing. And maybe you should start thinking about not trading anymore. And at 7 in the day session, it's like, stop it. Go do something more productive.
We're at the Globex Open now.
Watching Bitcoin, I'd like to catch another really big move in Bitcoin. I caught one for Bitcoin. I think I got the like a 700-point move down. Be fun to catch another one. Oh, top step is long at 91. What a stop at 77. Very close to the stop. Almost tempted to take it. I'll let it go. It's too close to the stop. 3 points away.
Long or short?
Long. 3 points, you're most likely going to get stopped out. And there you go. You got stopped out.
I'm just going to try the short.
And
Give it a 1 lot. Bring this down. Probably got in too late.
did you chase?
I didn't chase the, it's just a big candle.
Mm.
It's more of a reversal setup anyways. Yeah, I gave it a 1 lot. Just kind of watch it.
I'd like to see a down candle now. Now we just took out the most recent swing low with a wick. Holy shit. Oh my goodness. I swear to God, I'm not exaggerating. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The last 7 swing, and I'm talking, when I call it a swing, that means you got 3 candles on each side. The last 7 were wicked and reversed. The last 7 consecutive swings were wicked.
See, I got to find a better entry for these kind of reversal trades, because it seems like by the time I get in, it's already too late.
Mm-hmm.
Works great on the pullbacks, but not really the reversal.
Oh, I was supposed to go refresh my coffee. Yeah, the hell with it.
But theoretically, this would have been the best spot to get in for a short.
Yeah, I'm liking it here too.
Of course, the short should have been at about 193, not at 169. So I lost what, 27 points or something. By the time I got in, I could have been closing the trade for a good profit.
Go. Push. Okay, did a quick scalp there. I wasn't confident in the trade.
Nah.
Omnius gave me a little more confidence by saying that it's a
Take
short
it there.
thing. I kind of saw it. Oh, you got a little more than me, eh?
Yeah, I only got 9 points. I got such a bad feel. I mean, I got in when I was supposed to,
Yeah.
but I don't know. Maybe I gotta wait for, like, on a reversal, wait for a signal and then a pushback, a retrace.
Nice. Mm.
I don't know. Shit, if I'd have got in, what, at 93? I mean, look at, or even say 92.
I don't see how you had an entry over there, to be honest with you.
That'd have been 45 points.
Mm.
Well, the first signal was the Webex open. Well, actually, the first signal was the 2-minute chart below the momentum line. We pull back up to the momentum line. That's a good spot to get in.
Mm.
I backtest the 2-minute chart all the time, but I can kill it backtesting it. But then doing it live, finding the proper entries is what kills it. what messes it up.
Yeah.
I mean, you could trade just off this momentum line. Just buy it, sell it when it gets close to it, or buy it when it gets close to it. And if it crosses it, stop out.
What's it called?
The momentum line?
Yeah. Is it
Called
what's it
called
called
a-
when you
You talking about the chart, or you talking about the copy trader?
No, go Patrick yourself.
Go Patrick yourself.
No, the momentum line, when you load it on the chart, what's it called in your thing? It's not called the momentum line. Like me, my thing is called the ADX VMA by Lizard Indicators. Is it something you downloaded, or it's part of the Ninja package?
Yeah, I'm just trying to figure out, are you talking about on the chart or the copy trader?
You almost got me. I'll go look myself.
It's not on Ninja Trader. It's on TradingView.
Okay. I won't go look. Oh, Jesus Christ.
It's called a Vigiline.
A Vigiline, eh? A Vagiline.
Mm-hmm. It's the Vagiline. And then, of course, I had to custom code mine because I got to make things custom to myself.
Schmancy. I have a momentum indicator, but it's in another window.
Mm-hmm. Man, it does great. We'll have to go over it one day. We ain't doing nothing.
Yeah, I'll take a look.
I don't know
at
if
it.
you
Maybe
remember
I can-
before I was telling you I wanted you to take a look at it. Give me some of your input on it.
Yeah, I can try it out on the
I mean, it's a great
A
system.
weighted-
Like I said, I back tested in the, what the fuck you call it, where you go back and do it, the replay. I do that.
market replay.
Market replay. I do that all the time, and if I could just make that money live, I'd be rich. Have a Lamborghini.
Oh, Lamborghini. The
I always say Lamborghini, but I'd never buy one.
nope, me neither.
I couldn't imagine being in a small car like that anymore.
On the other hand, the Corvette is really nice. I like the Corvettes. I like the McLarens.
I always liked Corvette until I drove one, and then I was like, this sucks.
Oh yeah.
Sell that and get you a fucking truck.
Hmm.
They might be different now. This was years ago, like the old Stingrays.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They're good-looking cars now. They look like Hot Wheels. They made them look really sharp.
Driving down the road with your hands like this, can't even move nowhere. No, go buy you a truck. I'd have to trade the Lamborghini for a brand new Tahoe.
Wow, it's only 10:39. Time is passing slow today.
'Cause we ain't taking no
Less
trades.
Yeah, with less trades and
Damn bipolar market.
still holding the short on the longer term trades.
Sometimes I color code my background. Have I ever showed you any of those? I go back testing,
Yeah.
color code the background.
I do that also. It helps to speed things up. You can just look quickly rather than letting it run.
Well, I do it just to look at it and say, well, this is the strategy. Like, don't even look at the chart. Like, fuck the chart. Just look at the strategy. And if I just color this, and then go back and look at the chart. Like, set up the strategy first, color code it, and then go back and look at the chart. And it's like, could you make money doing that? And it's like, sometimes it looks like you actually have to try to lose money. It's like, I'm serious. It's like why are we
No, I
losing
know.
money when it's like you have to try so hard to lose it?
It's because there are times when it doesn't perform so beautifully. And our eye also selectively finds the big runs.
It's like right
good
now,
trade.
if I turn on the background color and it's all red, if you go look at it, like everything for today was just like sell this, make money. And even right here where it cuts it out, really should have stayed in there. So draw a box, color it red. Could you have made money trading that?
Yeah, that's the thing. Could
I
you
mean,
held?
it's freaking stupid. It's like you'd actually have to try not to make money.
Mm.
The hard part is where do you get the entry?
No, for me, the hard part is always the exit. Always been the exit.
Well, the exit is easy. You buy in value, you sell in premium. You want to buy in a discount or value, and then you want to sell on a premium. Simple market theory.
I don't break up my charts in that way.
I mean, if you're 100 points from the momentum line, you should probably be selling, right? If you're 50 points away from the momentum line. Look right there, you have 87 points away from the momentum line. Of course you should be selling. Come up here, you're what? 12 points away from the momentum line. Buy. That's a value. It's a discount. Short it there. Cover there. Hard part's just trying to find that good entry point. So in the choppy markets, you don't get chopped up so bad. Everybody talks about the footprint charts like it shows you right where to get in. Can't never find it. I have to put one on my screen again.
Let's go to 84.
I have to find somebody to teach me how to properly use a footprint chart. For some people out there, that's all they use to trade with. Footprint chart.
Well, you can develop a system around anything.
All right, I'll be back in a sec.
Okay, we're going to form a little bear flag here and then head higher. Go back up to the previous day's close. Go red to green now. It does look like that's what it wants to do. We finally broke over a swing and closed above it. That's one candle with a lower high. We need one more candle with a lower high. And then we need to break the high. Let's open it up. "27 seconds left in this candle. I'd really prefer if we have a lower high on this candle. I'd like to add. "13 seconds. Don't go up. This could be the next push.
I don't even think the market moved since I've been gone.
One. There we go. Perfect. Now we break the high. There we go. We broke the high. And I added. But, oh, come on. All right, let's go buyers. Push it. We got another swing over there. I'm going to take it because we have another swing. It's just every day it's the same thing. Every day, every swing it's the same thing. We wick it and come back down. So that was a good trade.
Up almost 500 on the bot trades this morning. Took 3 trades. If I would have let that if the account would have blew Friday and I'd have started a new one Monday, I'd be about halfway through right now.
So was I right or was I right? Look at that. We wicked the swing high. Swing high is marked by the yellow dash line. Came right back down. Oof. I took your Captain Knievel setup.
Where?
What where? On my chart. On my account.
I don't see the setup, that's what I'm saying.
Ah, I don't know. I made it up. I didn't understand it. I don't even know what chart you were talking about. The Rankos? Yeah, I think you were talking about the Rankos.
Yeah, the Ranko chart. I don't see it.
Yeah. Now we're going to go higher again. Still short, actually. Boom, 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 boom.
Let's go watch Mike's video. Anybody seen Mike's video yet?
I should play it. No, it's just a recap video. Oops.
Well, that way I'll know what happened.
Yeah, it's the ending. It's not my strongest video. But
How long
I'm trying to
is it?
figure out.
Damn, 3 minutes.
I'm trying to figure out how to put together, how to do it quickly. So this was my first attempt. Gonna work on the software that I showed you the other day. Later on.
So just my initial thought on it. That sound you have in there is extremely loud.
Oh, the music or the chanting?
Yeah, whatever it is.
Yeah.
I don't know if it's because I got headphones in or what. But in my headphones,
Okay.
my earbuds, it's like really loud.
Was it drowning out the talking, or was it just because your volume is high?
No, it's drowning out the talking.
Okay.
But it might be. I'll have to go back and listen to it on speakers.
That's funny though, because I lowered it to about 20%,
Really?
and I had the talking at 100. But anyways, but the ending where I played all 4 clips at the same time. On the video, yeah, on the video.
No, not on the stream. On the video.
Yeah, he's talking about it on the video. I don't know. I still think we want to push higher. I think it's time to step up into the previous day's close. 198, 23,200. 15 points away. It's kind of like a free trade for me. I don't know why I'm not taking it.
I had to turn that off. I'll have to watch it later without the earbuds in.
No, but did you get to the end with the four scenes playing
No.
simultaneously?
No.
Oh no, you didn't get to the end. That's all it was.
I watched.
It was longer than 3 minutes. You said it's a 3-minute video. It's been 5 minutes already. Are you playing it on half speed? How did you not get to the end?
Maybe I paused it. I don't know.
Yeah.
I think I watched like a minute and a half. There's like this crazy tone in there, like eating into my brain.
Yeah, I played some heavy metal music.
Like I said, it's probably because I got the earbuds in. Probably sound different on the speakers.
Yeah, I'll have to check, but yeah, it's you know what? I think it has to have a little bit of background music or noise or something because there are some dead periods, but just very faint.
Plus, it sucks with YouTube because you never really know how it's going to come out. Because, like I said before, you listen to it on the phone, it's one way. Put it on the computer, it's another way. Put it on the TV, it sounds completely different. Like they compress to different levels depending on what you're on. I've made videos before and the music's kind of quiet and I'll have the file on my computer and then I'll watch it on YouTube and it's like really loud. I'm like, I don't remember it being that loud. Go back and watch my file and it's not.
Yeah, no, I find it funny because, yeah, my file, it's pretty quiet.
Really? Oh, it was freaking loud in my ear. See if I can find it on the phone.
I'm hungry.
I'm hungry too.
I hate being hungry. Believe it or not, I hate eating. As odd as it sounds. Always did since I was a kid. Found it a waste of time.
Oh, wait a second. Probably shouldn't play that on the stream, huh? I don't know where you got that sound from.
Canva.
Should be
I
alright.
used it already. I used it a few times and I keep checking. I still have no
Let's see.
restrictions.
Turn it up, let's see.
Is it really sensitive? Yeah, I could have put that short. It worked awesome. It did? That was easy money. It was. I can't fight a hammer candle.
See how loud that is?
No, I don't even hear it.
What?
Seriously, I just hear the talking. Maybe your mic is compressing it out.
No, I heard it in my ear from the mic. Okay. You don't hear it? I'll go back and watch it later.
Let me go check. I'm going to play it.
He's like, I don't hear nothing. What are you talking about? You don't hear it because it's so loud you can't hear anything else.
It's a video, even though I wanted it to be a short.
Yeah, you got to cut the 3 seconds off or whatever.
Yeah.
You might be able to edit it in YouTube without re-uploading the video.
Okay.
You can click edit video and you might be able to cut off about 5 seconds. I don't know if that'll reclassify it or not. I don't know.
Yeah, no, I'm hearing them on my thing. I'm hearing them play about equal.
Okay.
The volume, our volume of talking, and that. But yeah, it should be quieter. It should be more in the background. It shouldn't. It should not be equal. Oh, yeah, it's true. I wanted to go check if I have any.
Plus, like I said, I have earbuds in, so going right into the ear.
There we go. Getting up to the 23,200, which I figured was a free trade. Content. Let's see, any restrictions. Restrictions. None. Shorts.
That's what I'm
I
looking
check so often.
That's what I'm looking for
None.
right now. That's funny.
Yeah.
Because my video,
And the lights.
I was telling you, my video uploaded was not only a restriction, like it was straight up banned in certain countries.
Mm.
And
No, I'll clear. Okay, we're back up to the previous day's close. This is definitely where I am going to take a break and refill my coffee, because I'm not going to take a trade off here. So I'll be back in a second or two.
all right, see you when you get done master trading. He wanted to stop and laugh, but he was thirsty. All right, see if this wants to go long or short at the Globex Open now. So if we push above, hold it. Gain some support, push from there. Or if we reject, we're looking for shorts. Anybody else looking for anything? Skeletor, what you looking at? Joker, any trades? Oh yeah, we got VWAP right above us also. VWAP and a pivot point, so long's gonna have a little bit of work to do. Not looking, answering emails at work. Sounds like fun. I think the hardest part of doing that would be being polite. Everyone's always rude in emails. You got what you really want to say versus what you have to say. Really just want to type in there, go Patrick yourself. Mike Stunts, hello. How you doing today? Any trades?
I'm back. Don't talk about me anymore.
Shh. He's back. Shh. He's back. Keep it down to a low.
What do you think about my mic placement? My new mic placement. Is it a little too much?
Will somebody else answer that question?
Yeah. Hey, it's about time, Mike. It's about time. I have stuff for you. Stuff for you, Mike. Hold on, I gotta get out of the trade. 315. You know what? I'm gonna let it go. I'm gonna let Bitcoin go higher, even though I got 315 on it. And I'm gonna let NQ go higher, even though we just bounced off VWAP. Okay, so as I've told you all for the past couple of days, Mike Stunts is the sub of the week. Let's give it all up for Mike Stunts. And my line is for making himself look really good in the trading competition and running away with it. There wasn't even a second place, in my opinion. I mean, of course, there officially was one, but there was barely a second place. Everyone was left in the dust. Everyone still just got out of the gate. Mike went through the finish line already. So way to go, Mike. Let me see if this works. Last time it cost.
Skeletor, are you looking to fill the 15-minute gap, or are you looking to bounce off of it, reject from it?
Looks like it's working. Okay.
Yeah, that's my ear.
Yeah, it was just one of them. Wasn't both of them?
It was both. Looks like we're rejecting off of the gap now.
Yeah, hey, it's crazy. Should have taken profits on the. Just gave up 20. Just gave up 40 points on the Sim 102. Hold for long moves on the Hail Mary trades.
But this does also kind of look like they could be setting up for a bear trap. They might set the bear trap, gain liquidity, shoot up from there.
Yeah, just as you were saying it, I was thinking of going long. Kind of missed it though. The entry on the chart that I'm watching. Entry was at 89. On Top Step, the entry's at 98 though. A little bit delayed. Excuse me.
What was that, you farting?
No. Clearing my throat. There's either too much coffee in my coffee or not enough coffee in my coffee. Yeah, everyone's green. I showing my accounts? I don't even know. I guess it's close to 11. Yeah, it's 11. By 11, I could put up the accounts.
Is it 11? Shit, you just said it was
It is.
10:30.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, let's see, this half an hour passed fast. At 11, I can put up the accounts because I slow down a lot. Yeah, we'll try one more trade.
Long trade.
Yeah, long. Just try to pick off a little bit. 8, 10, 11, 12. It's good enough. Just add a little bit. Oh, look. One of the accounts isn't out. Where's the trade copier? Piece of stupid shit.
So I made that recap short yesterday. Got 17 views, 2 likes.
Okay.
You always say, why don't you make recap shorts? 17 views, 2 likes. I made a funny one. It got 1,200.
What do you mean a funny one?
One of the meme
Yeah,
shorts.
I saw both of them. Yeah, you had 2 recaps, no?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But it sucks because they were made through remixes, so that you can't make it more than a minute.
Okay.
Caps it at a minute. But still, I made 2 of them. One got 93, 1 like. The other one got 17, 2 likes.
But don't you have to do a remix from a short already?
No, the remix is from the live stream.
I didn't know you can do that. I thought remix. I saw a video yesterday. I was going to talk to you about the remixes. I saw a video yesterday. It said max 15 seconds from another short. Oh, but they were talking from another.
Am I saying it wrong?
Streamer or another YouTuber.
Am I saying it wrong again? Last time we was talking about, I kept calling it something different. Let me go check.
Yeah, clip.
Yeah, the clip's 15 seconds, I think. I think last time I was calling it a clip, but it wasn't a clip, it was a remix.
No, I think you had it right last time.
I don't even see it on.
Yesterday I was watching videos on the remixes.
I don't even see it on the computer. Guess you gotta do it on the phone.
I don't know the new MFFU plans. I don't really trade. I have an account that makes an appearance at the end of every month, and I lose it quickly. What's going on? I'll go take a look. Maybe I'll make a small video about it. Where'd you hear about it? On their website or Futures Trading with Kellyanne type of thing? Twitter?
Yeah, it's a remix. I guess you can't do it on the computer. Guess you gotta do it on the phone.
It's too hard for me. I can't work with the phone. I have to do everything on the computer. I like to be able to see things. How are you going to adjust and crop from someone's timeline when it's 2 inches long on your phone?
You should be used to playing with 2 inches.
Okay, now it's war.
I didn't even want to say that joke, but I felt like if I didn't, I was kind of missing out. Like I wasn't doing my job or something.
That's what we needed for that one. Okay. I'm streaming with Johnny Carson today. Ruan! Good afternoon, Ruan. Good evening, Ruan. Ruan, supper time soon.
Ruin, good morning. I always say good morning.
Good morning, Works.
Unless it's time to go to sleep, then I'll say good night.
Good morning, works.
Feel like if I'm awake, then I'm mourning the fact that I'm not sleeping, so it's good morning.
Caught a huge move in Bitcoin today on Sim 102. I don't remember anymore. 500, 600, 700 points, dollars down. Now I'm trying to catch along. Sim 102, and Sim 102 is also long. Sim 102 is I'm testing out a longer term, longer hold period, I guess. I had a good word for it before, but I forgot what it was. So we're back to breach, butter band breach.
I think the NQ fell asleep.
9 points, we're under 10.
I got 10. So they did do the bull trap, or the bear trap I was talking about.
And I got a long at 98 with a target of 05, 70%. The target hasn't been hit yet. I'm not sure if I want to get in though. Maybe I'll get in for a one lot at a better price. If I can get 95. 97 bid, 98 bid.
I think the fact that they had a bear trap and that's all they could push up kind of shows weakness in the market.
Yeah, okay, so I won't take it. You convinced me.
I don't know. You got to do your own trades.
You convinced me.
Anybody got the disclaimer? Anybody? Disclaimer? Hold on. I got it right here. Hold on. Where do I get to
Listen
it?
here.
More.
Listen here, Johnny Carson.
Risk disclosure. Futures and forex trading involves significant risk and may not be suitable for all investors. There is a possibility of losing more than your initial investment. Only trade with risk capital you can afford to lose. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Do not copy our trades. We trade drunk. That's it. I have to write some more.
That's as far as we go. So basically the message in all that is do not sell your wife's car and use the proceeds to trade.
Not your wife's car, not your rent money, not your children's college fund. No. If you have some leftover beer money, maybe.
Okay, we're 7 points lower now. Now it's a good trade because now you're only risking. Now it's better than a 2-to-1 trade. I should almost take it. Okay, I'll take it for a one lot. You convinced me.
All I see is chopping back and forth around the open. And the ES looking like a nice bear flag.
Yeah, on the top step I got the Captain Canuck set up again. Now it's Captain Canuck, it's not Captain Knievel.
Look at the ES chart, 5-minute chart.
Soon. I'm in a high stakes trade here with a 1 micro. And I'm bleeding. Where am I stopping out on this? 98, 94, 84. In case you wonder why I called out 3 numbers, it's the last number, 84. I was running numbers in my head. I'll hit the close button. I hate when I'm not right away. Don't stress me.
Yeah, it sucks when you're so used to 30-second trades and then you get in one, it's like a minute long.
That's it, I got out. Took too long. But I shouldn't be getting out because kind of in a good place right now to be long.
Could be.
This is a kind of, yeah, it is. No, this is the kind of trade where anybody trading with a little bit longer hold period would be saying, why are you getting out here? And I see it, but I'll tell you why I'm getting out here. I don't feel like risking my results for the day. Even I don't want to give back 33% of it. I'm happy with it.
Exactly.
It's 11:15. Omnius said that we shouldn't be taking longs here.
No, that's not what I said.
You guys know Omnius is never wrong. Have you ever paid attention to that? He hasn't made one off call yet.
Only wrong about 50% of the time. The other 50% do good. What I do is the coin flip strategy. Sometimes I even flip the tagger. See, I got a little tagger right here. Flip the tagger. You see it? Gonna show up?
Yeah.
Not gonna show up? There's a delay. There we go. Got a little tagger. Flip the tagger. Got to get me like one of those gold dollars or something, silver dollars. Anybody know a good coin for the coin flip strategy? Like what coin has the highest percentage?
It works 60% of the time, every time.
Mike Stunts, what coin has the highest percentage for the coin flip strategy? Quarter, silver dollar. Don't know what that is. Coin flip strategy? Heads you go long, tails you go short.
Yeah, I'd go with the silver dollar too.
That's what I'm thinking. Silver dollar. I gotta get me one.
Take a poll.
Just did.
No, a poll on your stream.
You know they can hear me, right?
Pretty sure.
You know, everybody knocks the coin flip strategy, but it's got a 50%, and that beats 80% of traders. Just saying.
Coin flip strategy doesn't come out with an exit.
No, you gotta have predetermined. No, you do like 1-to-1, 10 points, 20 points. It don't matter.
I guarantee you, it's not 50%.
We're gonna test it.
I'd give you 37. 37 to 43. That would be my opinion.
Well, you're gonna have ups and downs. So sometimes it's gonna be 60, sometimes it's gonna be 40. But if you do it over 100 trades, it should be about 50%.
You'll probably have about a 10% up and down variance from the mean, but
of course.
But overall, even if you did 300 of them, I think you'll be in the low 40s.
Why? Explain it to me. It's 50-50.
Because a stop only has to touch it, and you get stopped out. The take profit has to go through it. That's going to cause a bit of a problem, and then you're going to have slippage on your entries. Oh, no. It's true. No slippage. You're going to set an ATM. Let's say 10 points in, 10 points out.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Okay, well, so Martingale. Martingale is never profitable, no matter how long you try it.
No, there's no martingale on the coin flip strategy.
Martingale, oh, wait a minute. Let me explain that properly. Because I said the martingale is never profitable. The martingale is profitable until it's not.
Mm-hmm.
That's a better sentence. You will always, with 100% certainty, pretty much have the death trade. It will appear, and it will take away everything, and you will be left with nothing.
And then people move their stop just a little bit more, just a little bit more, just a little bit more. Fuck, blew that account.
Okay, so we're going to do that experiment. We're going to do the coin flip strategy. I'm going to open up a Sim 103, and twice a day you're going to say long or short. It's going to be 10 points for 10 points, or 8 for 8. What do you want to do? No, wait a minute. You have to go for a little bit more because there's going to be commissions. So you got to
commissions is one. Commissions is one tick.
Oh, $2. No, that's 50 cents. It's 2 ticks. Round turn. So there you go. Now we got to go for 10 points and 2 ticks on the profit side and 10 points on the stop loss. Right there, you just lost a few percentage points. Or you can keep it 10 points for 10 points, but now you're going to lose. You're not going to make as much as you lose. So I let you choose which one you want to do. You want to do 10 points for 10 points?
Do the
8
10 for
points,
10. Because first thing you got to decide is if everything was fair, would it be 50-50? Then you can add in the negatives.
Okay, so let's go. I'm opening up the account now. Edit.
Name
I'm
it.
not brave enough.
Name it the coin flip.
I'm not brave enough to remove add simulation account. I'm not brave enough to do it with that.
I feel like it's got to
No.
be. Huh?
Wait a minute. Why don't we use I got a ton of Bulenox accounts here.
No, don't use a Bulenox account.
Yeah. I got one right here.
You know it's a losing strategy.
Yeah, but it'll be fun. So what?
I didn't say it was a
got one.
winning strategy. I just said it beats 80% of traders.
Right here, right. Look at that. Johnny Carson is backtracking. He's going back on his word. He promised me I'd pass the account. I'm bugging you. Let's just do it. Okay, so I'm going to make it easy. You listening? Because I'm going to forget.
All right.
Oh, okay. It's account number 49.
How the fuck am I supposed to remember that?
You are, because it's shit. I'll put it in
All right,
streamer bot.
chat, y'all remember that.
No, put it in streamer bot. Dashboard. We'll create a streamer bot for it. Timers.
Set it at a certain time, like 10 o'clock every day and 11 o'clock every day.
Yeah. Oh, you don't want to get one in today? At 11:30?
Do it. I mean,
what are we going to call this?
Theoretically, it shouldn't matter what time it is. It shouldn't matter when you do it.
Okay, so what this is Bulenox, eh? Bulenox. Number 49.
Yeah, could set a bot. Take it automatic every day. 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock.
Oh, wow. No. We can't do that because I don't know what your coin flip is going to do. And random number generation with the computer is lousy.
Right. Yeah, okay.
Bulenox account number 49, 50K account. Coin.
Be honest with you, it works the same way if you just go long every day.
You think so? I don't think so. I think it depends. That's not random anymore. That's not the coin flip strategy. It's completely different because if you're in a strong bull trend, you're going to have biased results. No, I disagree with you.
I tested one time. I think it was 10 o'clock. If candle's green, go long. If it's red, go short. I think over 100 days, that came out about 50%.
Okay.
There's another strategy that beats 80% of traders. And the purpose of these strategies is to show that trading's not hard. It's us that messes it up. I mean, we can find a simple strategy and improve it slightly. We can beat 80% of traders.
Okay, so there we go. The coin flip strategy is enabled in Nightbot, so the messages should appear. Maybe not today. I have it to appear every 17 minutes, and we will update the progress of the account. Today is day 1. Let me just put that in there. And the account is starting. It's a new account. It's starting at 50 Gs.
Now I need a coin.
Yeah, you need something.
Hold on, I think the kid's got one. I'll go steal one of his. Don't tell him though. Hopefully he's not watching. They're running here getting on to me. Let me see what I got.
Okay, we're all set up. Now I got to set up the ATM strategy. Custom. We're going to do, how many lots should we do? Anybody have an opinion? 1 lot, 2 lot, 3 lots, 4 lot? It's going to take us way too long to get anywhere with a 1 lot, right? I'm talking micros. $10 lots way too aggressive. We don't want to risk $200 per trade. What's a good amount to risk per trade? We have $2,500 drawdown, right? I think with a 2, a 5. Yeah, 2 of 5. That's 7 divided by 2 because you gave 2 answers. That's 3.5. I'm thinking the 3 lot. Let's see what Omnius says. Omnius, what size do you think we should trade? 1 lot's too small because it's going to be $20 in, $20 out.
What's wrong with that?
Well, we wanted to gain some traction, maybe. 10 is way too aggressive. I was thinking 3. Mike Stun said 5, and then he said 2, or he said 2, then he said 5. That's 7. 7 divided by 2 is 3.5. So 3.5 plus my 3 is 6.5. Divided by 2 is 3.25. Rounded down, it's 3. What do you think about a 3 lot?
I think that was a whole lot of thought going into that.
Wait,
right.
You want make 250, risk 125. What do you mean? No, it's 1 for 1 we're going for. It's not 2 for 1. So it will be $60 on a 3 lot. 10 points up, 10 points down.
Mm-hmm. So I
Sounds good?
found two coins that look interesting. One is a Jesus coin. Why does it take so long to show? Yeah. The other one is Ripley's aquarium coin.
Okay.
But the Ripley's coin's heavy. The Jesus coin's light. It's plastic.
And a heavy coin.
Heavy coin. Okay. I like the heavy coin too.
I don't want God influencing the results.
And on one side it says aquarium, the other side it shows a stingray. So
Okay, it's true. There we go. I don't want to forget. Perfect. Hold on. Aquarium is long or short? You get to choose.
Long.
Aquarium is long.
Heads is always long, tails is always short.
Okay. Rules. 5 lot. Coin. What did you say? Aquarium or Aquarius?
You can just put Ripley's. One side says Ripley's, the other side Ripley's aquarium, the other side says stingray.
Okay, so Ripley's is
long.
And stingray is short.
Right.
Okay, we got it. We won't forget. Update. And we'll be doing the 5 lot. That's $100 a trade. Stop loss is 40. You don't want to make it 39 and 41 on the take profit. One tick, one tick.
Well, then you're throwing the 50-50 off.
Yeah, okay. 40-40. 40-40 it is. Save template. Let's call it the coin flip. Account. 49, so I don't forget.
I think if you're using a
coin flip.
if you're using an eval, they add commissions automatically. So.
Oh yeah, you got the commissions. That's it. That's what I'm saying. Okay, coin
so
flip.
That's going to slightly hurt the statistics.
Now, how do we know you're not cheating?
Oh God.
How do we know that you don't look at the screen and say, "Oh shit, we're right off VWAP"? I'm going to say it's aquarium for short.
Do you want to
stingray for short?
Do you want to flip the coin? Or we'll get Mike.
You need a roll in this.
Or we'll get Mike Stunts to flip the coin. Or we'll get somebody random every day.
No. It has to be you and me. Okay, you flip the coin. 11:31.
You want to flip it?
Flip it. Doesn't matter where we are. It's not for us to decide.
So now is the question, do I start heads up or tails up? And do I do the same every time?
Oh, geez, I don't know. Don't even look. Just mix it in your hand.
I think you got to do like heads up every time. Keep it the same. So it shouldn't matter, right? If it's random, it shouldn't matter.
That depends on... Okay, well, if you let it fall on the floor, if you catch it, it's different.
Now I'm going to let it fall on the floor. I feel like if you catch it, you're interacting with it.
That's it. Yeah. Okay, and if you let it fall on the floor, then I have no problems with Ripley's being heads up all the time.
Or I could flip it on the desk, but it is glass, so I don't know.
Desk's no good.
It'd be loud. And, yeah. All right, heads up every time. Keep it the same. That way everything trying to be the same. We'll flip it. Hopefully it don't hit a rock again. You ready?
I'm ready. Yeah, don't fall in the river.
All right, what we got? Ripley's. Heads, right?
Ripley's. That's long. Buy the bid. Oh, I got to do market orders.
See, there's the problem with multiple orders.
Yeah, no, I got to do market order. Hopefully it'll come down and it'll fill.
Now it's adding variables.
Yeah. No, it's going to be market orders now all the time. I'm just so used to buying bid when I enter, but market order.
Gotta find somewhere to store my sacred coin. Plus the kid will find it and realize it's his and steal it.
Steal it back. Which technically isn't stealing when you take something back.
Well, the funny thing is they put a bunch of toys on my desk, and I tell them they're not allowed to take them off. Like, you can put toys on the desk, but you can't take them off.
Okay. Well, regardless, we should have gotten filled. So if I would have went market order, I would have been filled at 1 1/4 for sure. So if this goes to 11 1/4, it's counted as a win. If I see 11 1/4 flash, even if we get filled. 10.
Hide it over here.
Good morning, James. James, we're doing the coin flip strategy. We're supposed to be a 5 lot. And look at my Sim 102. I caught some huge winners. Wow, lots of green. I like it. Yeah, caught some huge winners on the longer term swing strategy that we were talking about. That I was telling you about. Yeah, I got like I don't know, between 600 and 900 in Bitcoin. I don't remember. Probably 700. Okay, we didn't get touched yet because that's 10. That's exactly 10. So we can still get filled on the others.
Talk about getting ticked, huh?
Talk about getting distracted and not taking your trades. So we have to decide when we do this. So yeah, I think later in the day.
You'll have to pick a time when you're not looking for a trade.
I like 11:30. We're gonna do 11:30. I'm gonna put that in StreamerBot, and we'll pick one other time. Maybe 10:30. It's a little quieter. It's 10:30 and 11:30. How's that?
Yeah, 10:30 might distract you from a trade, though.
Or not? Yeah, 10:30 is a little early. We'll try it. If not, maybe we'll make it 11 and 11:30.
I mean, it don't have to be exact. Just, hey, you're not looking for a trade. Hey, do the coin flip. Theoretically, it should always be random, so it shouldn't matter the time. Nothing should matter.
Yeah, but no, I don't want to be hedging.
Right,
So-
that's what I'm saying, yeah.
I don't want it interfering with my trading. So
Right.
yeah, 11 and 11:30. That's what we'll do. Or even better, 11:15 and 11:45. That way I'll keep you on stream a little bit longer.
Yeah, if I'm not here, we'll get somebody from the chat to do a coin flip.
Up. That's it. It's out. There's 11 1/4. I saw it 11.75, so that's a win.
Wait, why'd everything go red?
I don't know what you're talking about.
Everything just went red on your chart.
What the fuck?
You're copy trading.
No, I'm not. This is,
What happened?
I didn't change my account. I took it in my leader account.
Well, good thing that went to profit.
Holy shit, that's so funny.
Ah, that'll piss you off.
Oh my God, it would have. You would have gotten an invoice in the mail. Okay, that's one winner. We're counting it. We're counting it. One winner. Doesn't matter that it was done wrong. That's one winner. I'm just going to record it here.
Since it was a winner, it don't matter.
So how many times do you think this is going to happen? I'm going to forget to change the account.
I see an issue there.
Oh, you know what? I'm going to put it in the notes.
Another reason to do a sim account, because that way you're not having it copy traded.
Yeah. No. 49. Number 49. It's very simple. You know all those alarms that ring? Sometimes I go for coffee and they're still ringing.
Yep.
Unfortunately, in your ears.
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to set one up for 11:15 and one for 11:45.
Could
you
set
get
a
the label.
could set a time limit on those alarms, like hey, for 5 seconds.
I'm not sure. Let's try here. Clone. We're going to make it 11:15. Every day. Let's call it coin flip.
Mike wants to know if you're streaming tonight. He may hope in the chart.
May hop in the chat if you do. Sure, Mike, if you're going to hop in the chat, I'll stream tonight. Definitely. What's today, Wednesday? Yeah, I got to stay up anyways till 2 in the morning. I got to go pick up my daughter.
What?
Got to go pick up my daughter at the airport. Yeah, no, I don't have that choice to how long it plays for. I have two choices. Either it just rings once or it repeats. And because you can become noise blind when you have so many alarms, I need it to repeat so that I actually have to shut it off. So we're going to repeat. Let me
Turn
see
the
alarm.
repeat off.
No, but then I'm noise blind. It'll pass without it. There we go. I like that sound. That was good. We'll go with that. Maybe birds. Let's see the birds.
Do they have a coin flip?
No, they have a phone. Yuck, that's enough. Anyways, bells. I like the bells. No, not that one. It was the other one. Bells too. Perfect. Repeat sound. 11:15. Coin flip. Okay. Oh, one other thing. Edit. Change account. Got to remember that. So we'll put that in the alarm. I'll see it. And 11:15 coin flip, clone, make it 11:45. Okay, there we go. Let's rename this one. Edit. Initial balance. Okay. Okay, there we go. Sounds good. I'll hop in, but I'm out of here for now. Have a good day, gents. Keep it green. Yeah, have a good day.
Who's that? Mike? Mike, have a good day.
Mike. So how strong is my accent for you when
From
you hear
me?
me talk?
I don't
Yeah,
know.
like when you listen.
Sounds normal.
Really?
The good thing is
Sounds
that,
like
the good thing is you don't have that strong Yankee accent. Like
no, Canadians don't have a Yankee accent. Canadians have a Canadian accent. You know, with our A,
eh?
A. It's funny how you guys know about that, though.
My wife's uncle, well, some of her other family also live up in Baltimore.
Okay.
I think that's
not Canada, by the way.
I know that, but it's not too far from you, I don't think. It's not too far from Canada.
Baltimore, Maryland? No, it's not.
He's got a real heavy Yankee accent. Then you get all the New Yorkers, and they got that heavy Yankee accent.
Okay, yeah, New Yorkers. Boston is a strong accent.
Boston, yes.
Sometimes when you see people with a Boston accent.
I don't know what accent Canadians got. Like you talk to British people and they have like that heavy British accent.
New Yorkers. Yeah,
Yep.
New Yorkers.
Yeah, that's it right there. It's actually funny how many New Yorker friends I got in Florida. It's like, why the hell are all y'all coming to Florida? Like they need to have like a New Yorker get together in Florida or something.
Mm.
You know how they do like I don't know if they do it in Canada, but some places in the US they do like Irish Day or something.
Yeah, what's it called? St. Patrick's Day.
Yeah, I think there's St. Patrick's Day. There's something else also. They do Irish festivals.
Yeah, we just have one. I mean, maybe the Irish know they have Irish festivals, but the big one is the St. Patrick's Day parade.
Right, yeah. They need like a New Yorker festival in Florida.
Mm.
I'm gonna ask. I'm gonna see if they got that.
We don't have a lot of Irish in where I'm from. There's like only a couple Irish bars, not too many. 1, 2, 3.
Maybe y'all just don't like Irish people.
How can you not like Irish people?
Right?
What a fun accent! What a fun accent they have. I'd love to go to Ireland. That's one of the places I'd like to go see. Probably like to live in Ireland.
I think it's great how you got so many different cultures and accents and stuff out there.
Mm. Yeah, it is amazing.
I don't know how I got my
languages
accent.
were developed.
I don't even think
that's
anybody around me has my accent. I don't know where it came from.
Yeah. Watching TV.
Must have had a favorite show when I was little. Like
Dukes of Hazzard.
maybe Dukes of Hazzard. Like what else was there?
Beverly Hillbillies.
Yeah. Beverly Hillbillies and Dukes of Hazzard.
Mine was Gilligan's Island. So.
Yeah, that one too, yeah. But I don't think anybody on there had a southern accent.
No. That's what I'm saying. Mine was Gilligan's Island, so I thought Gilligan, just regular.
I'm saying I used to watch that when I was a kid too.
Yeah. $11.45. Flip the coin.
You want to flip it?
Yeah. Let's change the account. See, it says change the account.
Oh, you had the alarm set? Now where my coin
Yep.
at? Give me a damn coin.
Market order.
You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Heads up, flip.
Stingray or Aquarium?
Stingray.
Stingray short. Sell market. This is fun. Who needs to trade?
I bet you could do a random one on Deal Me In also. Or not Deal Me In, but a Nightbot.
Yeah, but I don't trust computer random numbers.
Yeah.
They're very unrandom. That's why I never trusted online poker also. Because it was a computer generating the, oh, you motherfucker, you're going to go 2 for 2.
Don't matter. It's all, theoretically, it's all random. So don't matter what it does.
Holy shit. You have a magic coin. Could you imagine if it ends up being like 80% and passes the account?
It might have a few runs of wins or losses, but
Yeah.
theoretically, over 100 trades should be 50% or close to it.
Yeah, 50 days. That's a long time. That's a month and a half from now. Okay, 2 a day, 11:15 and 11:45.
Might have to start doing 4 a day.
Well, we're not doing it in the evening session, even if you're around, because no volatility.
Theoretically, it shouldn't matter. It's all randomness.
Yeah, but I don't want to stay till 1 in the morning.
Right? You know, you could always lower it. I mean, you could do 5 points.
Shit, it went back up. Nah, 5 points is too close. The commissions will eat up too much of the... like, the farther away you go, the less the commissions influence the final dollar amount.
That's true.
See, right now I have a long trade in Top Step.
So I wonder if there's going to be a conspiracy come out, right? Like, who killed Ozzy Osbourne?
Oh,
What do you think?
come on. I think he was, he lived a full life and he was old and, no, you don't need to look at why he died. He was sick. Old, sick people die. How old was he? He was in his 80s, no?
I thought he was in his 80s, but they're saying 76.
Oh, yeah? That was in his 80s. Everybody's got conspiracy theories. We're going to have a deal me in. Did you win? Dealer draws high number. Let's get a win.
They're supposed to be having like a DVD come out of the
32.
final show. That'd be good to watch.
Oh, yeah. I watched a little bit of it on YouTube, but it's always showing...
But it's always like people from people's camera phones.
Yeah. One guy was so far away. He was...
I mean, it's gonna be so much better when you get the actual real footage.
yeah. Hey, you win. There you go. You got to win. Boom. Another
critical
win.
Boom.
Another win. Slow it down there. Oh, it's true. I had a meme for Omnius. Win 1 win out of 20. No, 2. I did it
Skeletor
twice.
was a great show. Is that the Back to the Beginning show?
Back to our roots.
They had a lot of good bands there.
Dealer 88. Okay, I'm tired. I don't want to click boom again, Ruan.
I said some of the bands couldn't make it. Imagine being one of those bands, have to turn that show down.
Was it all older bands or newer ones also?
I think they had some newer ones too.
Oh yeah.
I think most of them are older bands because it's supposed to be like back in the beginning of Black Sabbath. Of course, many of the bands, some of the main members have already passed away, like Motorhead.
Yeah. Yeah. Now they're gonna start to pass away. They're all in their probably 80s. You know. How old's Mick Jagger? Anyone know? I know I can Google it.
I feel like he's got to be in his 80s.
I would think he's in his...
Said Steven Tyler was there. I think they said he's like 80.
high 80s. Wow, that's gotta hurt, eh? You're 80 and you're thinking back to the life you had, but now you're an 80-year-old. I mean, it hurts for anybody. It's sad because there's no bands like those. Yeah, it is true. I agree. But you know what, Ruan? I think everybody says that when they grow up. My parents used to say that.
Mm-hmm.
I'm sure my kids are going to say it. And they're going to be talking about their bands. Okay, that's a loser. One winner, one loser. So you see, we lost $112. And when we win, we're probably going to win about, on a 5 lot, $5, we're probably going to win about 93. So it's very skewed.
Wait, why is it so skewed? Commissions ain't but...
Yeah, but slippage, when it pops through. If it doesn't pop through gently, you get slipped on the entry. You don't get the price that you're asking on your stop.
Well, theoretically, the take profit should be the same, right?
If you're on a take profit, yeah, but they don't. I think the software is set up so that it gives you the price you were asking for.
Have to go by...
Because it's a limit order you're bidding. It's like if you were in the pit and you were saying 50 bid, 50 bid, 50 bid. It doesn't matter if it slammed through.
Mm-hmm.
Someone would point at you and say sold, and you have to buy it at 50.
Right. So we'll have to do like a win rate versus monetary rate.
Okay, let me go mark that in case I forget. Futures floor, or dashboard, timers, final results for the 50K, no, Bulenox, coin flip strategy, one winner, one loser. Okay, I don't even need a spreadsheet. We'll just keep it in here. I'll just keep I'll keep tracking here. One winner, one loser. Every time there's a trade, we'll add it. Update.
Looks like we're getting some movement. Might be breaking that that gap Skeletor was talking about. I mean, actually, we're pretty much through it, so I would probably already consider it, for the most part, filled.
Not only that, volatility, ATR, 7 on the 1 minute candles. 7 points of range on the 1 minute candles.
What do I
You know what that means? That means everyone go home. There's nothing to see here.
Do I still have a 10? Is mine always 10?
Yours is on pause.
I'm starting to wonder because I can't see it. It's hidden.
10. 10. 10.
I feel like every time we talk about it, I'm always saying 10.
Yeah.
I'm going to have to go unhide it so I can see if it's really moving.
Okay, we call it a day. 11:50, 11:54. I got work to do.
Oh, there's our push. You just want to go master trade all by yourself.
10:54. No, I have stuff to show you.
Oh, look at that push. What the fuck?
Yeah. See, I want to get in now.
Well, Skeletor, you called it. Wanting to fill that gap.
It would have been the exact worst time. I would be down 20 points now. It's amazing how psychologically, when I want to get in, it's the top.
There's more of that movement there. We've been seeing that so much lately. What is going on? Is it low volume, so big orders just throw the market around?
No, that's on the quick ones. That's with like Fat Finger.
That was fat. What are you talking about?
That was more than Fat Finger. The Fat Finger is instant. It's not. That took 30 seconds.
In 1 minute. So I have it right here.
25,
right?
25.
Started right here. In 1 minute, it went 74 points. That's not Fat Finger?
Yeah, you're pretty right. Yeah. I thought it was more than that. I thought it took longer.
And then it dropped on the next minute.
You're right.
All the bands and other stuff. Yeah, they had a lot of great bands there. Hey, could get a long entry. I would never.
Yeah, I did on the.
I would never take it this high up though.
I got one on the Butterband system.
There's our entry right there. I'll watch it.
I'll get out.
Damn sure ain't gonna take it.
Made $1,067 today. Very good. Butter bands. Butter breach.
All right.
Butter salt.
This is the end of our show. You have to go master trade by yourself now. Don't do it too much. You might go blind.
You might have some chafing.
Don't chase the donkey.
Wrap it up. I'm tired.
Tired? All right. Appreciate everybody hanging out. Skeletor, later. Ruin, later. Thanks for hanging out. Who else was there? Mike, I think he already left. Wood chip. Joker, Butter Stunts.
Futures floor.
Features floor. Appreciate everybody hanging out.
Yeah, guys. Thanks.
Don't go on tilt. Don't chase the donkey. Don't master trade too much. You might go blind. See everybody. Mike will see everybody this evening, maybe.
Yep.
Joker, later.
Joker, later. Yep.
Mike, final thoughts?
Nope. I want to go.
Later.
Thanks for showing up. I appreciate it. See you guys later.
The trading day is done. The charts have had their say. Bulls and bears have battled. Now we call it a day. With NASDAQ's lessons learned and futures still in sight, we'll be back tomorrow chasing profits right. Streams ending soon, but we'll meet again. Markets never sleep. This is not the end. Own your future now. Let the charts reveal. With NASDAQ's rhythm, the grind is real. Some wins, some losses, that's the trader's way. We learn, adapt, and come back to play. Tomorrow brings new moves, new chances to sway. So rest up now, we'll be back to trade. Streams ending soon, but we'll meet again. Markets never sleep. This is not the end. Own your future now. Let the charts reveal. With NASDAQ's rhythm, the grind is real. So close the books, take a breath, unwind. The market's rhythm will always shine. Own your future now, let the charts reveal. With NASDAQ's rhythm, the grind is real. Streams ending soon, but we'll meet again. Markets never sleep. This is not the end. Own your future now. Let the charts reveal. With NASDAQ's rhythm, the grind is real. Some wins, some losses. That's the trader's way. We learn, adapt, and come back to play. Tomorrow brings new moves, new chances to sway. So rest up now, we'll be back to trade. So close the books, take a breath, unwind. The market's rhythm will always shine. Own your future now, let the charts reveal. With NASDAQ's rhythm, the grind is real. The trading day is done. The charts have had their say. Bulls and bears have battled. Now we call it a day. With NASDAQ's lessons learned and futures still in sight, we'll be back tomorrow chasing profits right. Streams ending soon, but we'll meet again. Markets never sleep. This is not the end. Own your future now. Let the charts reveal. With NASDAQ's rhythm, the grind is real. Some wins, some losses. That's the trader's way. We learn, adapt, and come back to play. Tomorrow brings new moves, new chances to sway. So rest up now, we'll be back to trade. Streams ending soon, but we'll meet markets never sleep. This is not the end. Own your future now. Let the charts reveal. With Nasdaq's rhythm, the grind is real. So close the books, take a breath, unwind. The market's rhythm will always shine. Own your future now, let the charts reveal. With Nasdaq's rhythm, the grind is real. Streams ending soon, but we'll meet again. Markets never sleep. This is not the end. Own your future now. Let the charts reveal. With Nasdaq's rhythm, the grind is real. Some wins, some losses. That's the trader's way. We learn, adapt, and come back to play. Tomorrow brings new moves, new chances to sway. So rest up now, we'll be back to trade. So close the books, take a breath, unwind. The market's rhythm will always shine. Own your future now, let the charts reveal. With Nasdaq's rhythm, the grind is real. The trading day is done. The charts have had their say. Bulls and bears have battled. Now we call it a day. With Nasdaq's lessons learned and futures still in sight, we'll be back tomorrow chasing profits right. Streams ending soon, but we'll meet again. Markets never sleep. This is not the end. Own your future now. Let the charts reveal. With Nasdaq's rhythm, the grind is real. Some wins, some losses. That's the trader's way. We learn, adapt, and come back to play. Tomorrow brings new moves, new chances to sway. So rest up now, we'll be back to trade.